Well, hey there, and welcome back to the Equitable Money Project, where we talk all things small business finance and how to keep more money in your pocket. If you're new here, hey, I'm Meg Wheeler, and I'm a CPA and small business owner just like you. All right, so today we're diving into a financial tool that's been making some serious waves in the small business world, Relay. If you're a small business owner, especially if you're in the online service space or digital products space, then you've probably heard the buzz about Relay. But is it actually the game changer it claims to be? Well, I'm here to give you the full scoop. What's great, what's not, and why it might or might not be the right fit for your business. So let's get into it. All right, so Relay is a digital-first fintech platform built specifically for small business owners. Now, here's the thing, it's not a bank. If you want to learn all about the differences between fintechs and banks, check out this video that I did here. Because Relay is a fintech, that means that it's partnered with a traditional bank to provide its banking services. In Relay's case, this is Thread Bank. But back to Relay. With Relay, you can manage your banking, track your expenses, and even pay your team, all from one place. It's kind of like having a bank and a financial management tool rolled into one. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Now, Relay operates entirely online, which makes it especially attractive for folks who run service-based businesses or sell digital products, aka most of us who don't need to walk into a physical branch every week. But as with anything, there are pros and cons, so let's break it down. Let's start with the good stuff because there's a lot to like about Relay. First, no fees. Relay doesn't charge account maintenance fees, no overdraft fees, no minimum balance fees. For small business owners, especially if you're just starting out, this is huge. I mean, why should we have to shell out fees for accessing our own money, right? Now, I do want to note that Relay does offer Relay Pro, which is a paid membership option that's currently priced at $30 a month. Relay Pro gives you access to advanced features such as faster outgoing payments, auto importing bills from QuickBooks or Xero, and automating bill payment approvals. Now, for most folks, you'll likely find that the free Relay option is sufficient. Next, multiple accounts made easy. One of the coolest features of Relay is that you can create up to 20 checking accounts for free. This is perfect for budgeting or using that profit first method where you allocate money into different buckets for expenses, taxes, profit, etc. Now, if you've got a digital business with variable income, having separate accounts for taxes or expenses can be a total game changer. Next, it's collaborator friendly. Relay makes it super easy to give different team members access to your accounts without having to hand over your login details. You can add your bookkeeper, CPA, or business partner and set their access level. For service-based businesses with virtual teams, this can be a lifesaver. Relay's also got built-in expense tracking. It's got this nifty expense management system where you can categorize transactions, sync it up with accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero, and basically have a real-time view of where your money's going. Now, this is especially important if you're a solo business owner doing all the things and you don't necessarily have time to dig through your bank statements. Okay, but it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Let's talk about some of the downsides, especially for those of us running online or service-based businesses. First, there are no physical branches. Now, for some of you, this might not be a deal breaker, but if you're someone who prefers to pop into a bank and talk to a human, or you have a lot of cash or checks that you have to deposit, Relay may not be for you. It's 100% online. I'm personally fine with this because let's be real, I'm never going to a branch, but I know that's not everyone's jam. Next, it has limited integrations. It does integrate with major accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero, but the integrations beyond that can be a bit limited. So if you're using other tools to manage your business, this could be a bit of a headache. Now, it also doesn't have lending. This one's big for some businesses. It doesn't offer loan options, although it does now have a business credit card, so we may see loan options in the future. If you rely on credit to manage cash flow or build up points for business travel, then this is something to consider. You'll need to go elsewhere for your business lending needs, unless you're okay with just that credit card. Now, let's zoom out for a minute. We know that the traditional banking system isn't built for all of us equally. Marginalized communities, whether we're talking about Black and brown business owners, LGBTQ+, entrepreneurs, or women in business, often face way more barriers when it comes to accessing financial services. Traditional banks can be biased, slow, and frankly exclusionary. Relay, as a digital-first platform, does reduce some of these barriers. You don't need a ton of capital to open an account, and they're transparent with their fees, or the fact that they just don't have them. But at the end of the day, it's still a part of a larger system that's not always working in favor of marginalized entrepreneurs. So it's great to have a tool like Relay that's trying to simplify things, but it's important to keep advocating for more equitable financial systems that actually serve all business owners, not just the ones that traditional banks deem low risk. So, is Relay right for you? If you're an online or service-based business owner, especially if you're running a small team or you're a solo entrepreneur, Relay could be an awesome tool for you. The ability to open multiple accounts, to track your expenses, to pay your team all in one place makes things a whole lot easier. But if you need a business loan or you're attached to the idea of having a physical branch nearby, then Relay may not be the one-stop shop for you. And that's the story with Relay, folks. So if you're considering it, I'd say it's definitely worth checking out, especially if you're looking for a no-fee digital-first solution that can help you stay on top of your business finances. And if you do decide to sign up for Relay, please use our affiliate link to send us some love at equitablemoneyproject.com/relay. Let me know in the comments if you've used Relay or you've got any other banking platforms that you love. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more tips on making your business and your money work for you. And until next time, keep disrupting your money, my friends.